Ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Hey guys, Chuckpopovich here along with
Ella.
And we're gonna try to make snow. So we saw this cool thing, Cra-Z-Art, crazy snow. It will make over 1 gallon of snow. That's a lot of snow. And it's, how hot was it today? Over 100 degrees. It was freaking hot.
Tomorrow's gonna be 100.
Tomorrow's gonna be even hotter than today.
Oh, and if you're like, why are you somewhere different? Well, we put some American Girl doll stuff, I don't know if you know, but that's kind of a toy in our spot where we do recording, so we had to move.
I'm sure they noticed. This is the same wall. All right, so it says here that you need, are you ready?
Yeah.
Pour 2 ounces of water, which we have already, 2 ounces of water, into a clear bowl or cup, which we have.
Well, this isn't really a bowl, but I guess
it will
counts.
work, yeah. Use a measuring cup, not included, to measure 2 ounces of water, which we did. Want to see the magic? Pour 2 ounces of water into the crazy snow powder. The crazy snow will start to expand and fluff and erupt. So, to do that, 2 ounces of water per 1 scoop of this spoon.
Wow.
Yeah, so it should be exciting.
And
so, are you ready?
Yeah, and since tomorrow is going to be super hot, we can use this snow to cool us down.
Maybe. And it says it's reusable once it dries.
Oh.
Which is pretty interesting.
Pretty interesting.
So, we're going to take this stuff.
Yeah.
We're going to put it in here.
I think that's just salt, but
I don't know. What is it?
Don't actually eat it.
Yeah, don't eat it. It kind of looks like you could eat it, but don't eat it.
Don't eat it.
Don't eat it. And make sure to subscribe, follow.
And I'll just do my thing.
Just do your thing. Go. Hit them with it.
Click that subscribe button, turn notifications, give me a huge thumbs up, and I wish, and I hope you enjoy this video.
There you go. All right, are you ready? Let's pour the water.
All of it?
Onto the snow.
It's mushy.
It's actually, look at this.
Guys, it's growing.
It's actually growing.
Wow. Alright, keep on putting it on.
It's really growing.
It's actually growing. Oh, ew! It feels so gross.
It actually worked.
Yeah, but it feels gross. Feel it.
I know, but I think we have to mix it in.
So gross, guys.
It does feel kind of weird. Look at this. This is pretty cool.
Yeah.
You probably can use it as, you know, like, to make stuff with.
It's actually super cold, guys.
This is pretty neat.
Yeah, and it's cold. And if you do this, I mean, actually share it. It's so fun.
This is pretty cool. All right. So far, so good with this thing.
Whoops.
This is pretty neat. All right, so I say we do more.
All right. Can I please do some?
Yes, you may.
Thank you.
So it says that this should make 1 gallon. So I did 70 ounces, it says. If you do the full bag of this with 70 ounces of water, which there's 68 ounces of water into this jug.
Yes.
It should make all of this snow.
Oh, should we do that?
I say we try it.
Okay.
All right.
And I'll pour all
So
of it.
spread it around in there and let's see. And then kind of spread it out. So let's see it. All right. And let's spread it.
All right. All done, guys.
Spread it all out real nice.
Bags are finished.
But here's the, I just feel like the water ratio, it just doesn't seem right. That's a lot of water.
Yeah.
So, I don't know. It might turn into slush. All right, let's try it. Are you ready?
Yeah. Pour all the water in?
Yeah, all of this water.
Oh
It's
my
a lot
gosh.
of water.
Yeah,
okay.
guys.
Ready?
All right, yeah. Do you want me to hold that?
You be the film.
Okay. This was my
person.
first time, but I think I'm going to do
Here
good.
we go.
It's pouring. Oh, guys. Looks so gross. It actually feels super cold. So.
Look, it's actually growing.
Oh my gosh,
You
guys.
see that? Look at that.
Look. It's actually growing. Whoa.
So I'm going to say the ratio for water is going to be off. Maybe not. I don't know. Seems like that is a lot of water.
Yeah. Right there. Look at this. It's actually super puffy.
Okay.
Alright, pretty cool.
Pretty cool. Let's see, there's still a lot of fluff in there. So maybe it's right. Maybe that is accurate of how much water you're supposed to put in there.
Thank you. Just gotta wash my hands off.
All right, I say, do we just pour it all in?
Yeah, let's just pour all in.
Pour all the water and follow the directions. All right. This is how much water we have left. Let's see.
Let's pour it all in. But still spread it around.
I'm going to still spread it around.
Whoa, that was a lot of water.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So, got the water in.
Alright.
It says let it grow.
Alright. Look at my hands, guys. Look at it.
All right.
It's so gross.
So maybe we have to mix it. And it feels, like, what does it feel like?
I don't know.
It kind of, like some type of,
definitely super cold.
it's cold for sure from the water. But it's kind of like, not a slime, not really like snow.
Kinetic sand.
Kinetic sand, exactly. That's exactly what this feels like.
Kinetic sand.
Kinetic sand.
Yeah.
But it actually works. I mean, that's pretty cool.
And it actually sounds like kinetic sand.
Yeah, and then the direction says...
Look at my hands.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
The directions say that it will dry out, and then you can redo it again.
And it's
in
like
24
a sponge,
hours.
how squishy it is.
Yeah, it is like a sponge. That's pretty neat.
Yeah.
So, we have...
Anything?
The
I think
crazy
I'm gonna have
snow
to stick like this, guys.
actually works. It actually works. And it says it's reusable. It'll dry out. Oh, in a few days it will dry out. And then we can reuse it again. And you just store it back in the container. And then great for school projects, science projects, holiday displays, decorations, etc., etc. It says you can put them in ice cube trays and freeze it. And then after 8 hours, you can make shapes with it. So that's pretty cool.
So what does you mean when it dries up? It won't be this squishy?
No, it will dry back up and shrink back down into like a powder at least from that. At least from what it says. So, that's what we got. Pretty cool stuff that it actually works. You can make your own snow. I think your sister would be jealous that she's not down here.
Yeah.
This was a cool project.
I mean, she's in her PJs. I don't think
so.
People would.
All right, guys. That's what we got. Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, share, and turn on notifications.
And snow!
And it's snowing. So,
Yay.
Thanks for watching.